Today we will be reading The Trick, a tale from the Southwest. It is also known as Coyote and Rabbit, a tale from the Southwest, written by Roy Lewis, illustrated by Kathy Shimon. This story is about two folktale characters named Coyote and Rabbit. Coyote wants to outsmart Rabbit. As we read along today, I'm going to pause and ask some discussion point questions, and you can discuss them out loud at home. When we're finished, I will give you your questions that you will respond to in your reader's notebook. The Trick, a tale from the Southwest. Coyote and Rabbit did not get along. Coyote was fast and swift. He was smart, too. But Rabbit was faster, and Rabbit was smarter. The two animals could not live together peacefully, so Coyote wanted to teach Rabbit a lesson. Let's take a look at this page. Look at the picture. It shows Coyote. Coyote's problem is that he is swift and clever, but Rabbit is always a bit swifter and more clever than he is. So Coyote wants to teach Rabbit a lesson. In the morning, Hawk and Crow were talking. Coyote listened to them. Crow said, "That was a big storm last night." Hawk said, "Yes, it was a big storm. Lightning hit a tree and started a fire. It blazed up and over the canyon. Then it hit a big rock on the rim of the canyon. The rock fell into the canyon." Crow asked, "Is that the place where the stream flows after it rains a lot?" Hawk said, "Yes, that is the place. It is blocked now. The stream is empty. The rock fell to the bottom of the canyon. So the opening is closed. So now there is only one way out of the canyon, if you can't fly." Look at the illustration on both of these pages. So Coyote is just standing there listening to Crow and Hawk discuss the big storm and how a rock fell into the canyon. Look at that illustration on page 5. A canyon is a deep, narrow valley. Because the rock has blocked the opening, the stream of water that flowed through the canyon is now empty. There is no more water in it. This gives Coyote an idea for a plan to trick Rabbit. Coyote had listened to Hawk and Crow. Now he was very excited. Once he had chased Rabbit into that canyon, but then Rabbit had jumped sideways into a small hole. Coyote was too big to get in that hole, but now the hole was gone. So Coyote would try to chase Rabbit there again. The next day, Rabbit hopped into the canyon. Coyote flung himself in front of Rabbit. This time, Coyote's plan worked. Rabbit did not know that the way out was blocked. He came to the place where he had jumped sideways, but the hole was blocked. There was no way for him to get out. Rabbit looked around. He saw that there was no longer an escape. Still, he sat calmly. "I must praise you, Coyote, because it seems you have been smarter than I," said Rabbit. Coyote liked to hear this. He liked to think he was wise. Look at the picture. Coyote's plan to trap Rabbit in the canyon seems to have worked. Rabbit sees that there is no way to escape. How do you think Rabbit feels about being trapped in the canyon? Rabbit said, "I have an offer for you. You did a good job planning this trick, but you did not put the rock in my path." Coyote Coyote knew that Rabbit was right. Then Rabbit said, "This is my offer. If you let me go, I will teach you all our tricks. Then you can catch rabbits whenever you want." Coyote said, "Why should I let you go?" Rabbit said, "Well, you can eat me today, or you can learn how to eat very well every day." "But you will trick me and run away," said Coyote. "No, I will not," said Rabbit. "I will show you how we trick you, and then get away." "How can I trust you?" said Coyote. "You have tricked me so many times." "I always keep my word," said Rabbit. "Okay," said Coyote. "You can teach me your tricks." Look at the illustrations. Why do you think Coyote and Rabbit are shaking paws? Rabbit showed Coyote how to hide. He could get tangled in some bushes. Then he would not be seen. But Coyote knew his trick. Then Rabbit showed him how to run in circles. But Coyote knew this trick too. So Rabbit showed him how to stop quickly. But Coyote said, "I know all these tricks. Show me a new trick." Rabbit said, "This is my best trick. It is a quick step to the side. Try it." Coyote tried it many times, but he could not do it. Rabbit said, "Your eyes are in the wrong place." Coyote said, "My eyes are fine." Rabbit said, "They are fine for a coyote, but I am a rabbit. My eyes are on the side of my head. I see well to the side. Your eyes are in the front of your head, so you cannot see to the side." Rabbit said, "Try to turn your head to the side, then keep it there. Then you will be able to see to jump to the side." "It's not very easy to do that," said Coyote. "We can practice it a few times," said Rabbit. Coyote tried many times. He turned his head and jumped to the side slowly. Then Rabbit said, "There is not a lot of space to practice here. Let's get out of the canyon." So they climbed out of the canyon. They got onto the rim. The animals practiced. Rabbit jumped sideways, and Coyote jumped with him. Coyote did not like holding his head to the side because he could not see where he was going. Still, he wanted to be able to catch Rabbit at any time. "Let's try it once more," said Rabbit. They moved along the edge of the canyon rim, but Rabbit ran very fast. Coyote ran after him. "Get ready," yelled Rabbit. This time, Rabbit did not jump sideways. He stopped. Coyote was looking to the side and did not see him. He tripped over Rabbit and fell over the edge of the canyon. Coyote was tumbling in the air. Rabbit looked over the edge of the canyon. He saw Coyote. He was lying at the bottom of the canyon. Coyote yelled, "You have tricked me again." Rabbit said, "I did show you my tricks. This was the last one. Now you have seen all of them." "Yes, I have," said Coyote. Coyote still runs after Rabbit, and he always holds his head to the front. He may move his head quickly to the side, but he does not leave it there. Coyote is still waiting to catch Rabbit. In this tale, my friends, Coyote tried to trick Rabbit. This caused other things to happen. Look at this chart below. The cause was Coyote tried to trick Rabbit. What was the effect? When you get finished discussing that, you are going to open up your reader response journal and answer your 4 questions. 1, what caused the rock to fall into the canyon? 2, how does the conversation between Crow and Hawk on pages 4 and 5 help you picture what the canyon is like? 3, do you think it is fair for Rabbit to trick Coyote? Why or why not? And then finally, you're going to write about Half Chicken and Coyote and Rabbit are both stories about animals. How are they the same? How are they different? Write a paragraph. Make sure you TTQA your questions.